you ever thought about trading in the stock market, but then these thoughts of, no, I would never do that. Don't like the stock market. It's shady, it's evil, it's gambling, all these different things that we might think, or I just don't know anything about it and I just as soon stay away from it completely. Well, consider this. If you have a retirement account, there is a good chance that you are already in the stock market. Right? You may have thought that you had nothing to do with it already, but if you have a 401k, an IRA, a 403b, any of these kind of retirement accounts, there's a good chance if it's invested in the stock market. So you may think that you're not in it, but you're actually already in it. You see, these things are intricately connected to the stock market because the stock market is an extremely powerful way to build wealth for whatever goal, retirement or otherwise. The thing is that we don't understand a lot about how it works. The only thing we get is maybe a stock chart on the news. It's up one day, it's down the next, or we hear the stories of insider trading and corporate greed and all this negativity, and then we form and base opinions based on that information. But there are people out there, professionals, your financial advisor at a bank, traders on Wall Street, they understand how these things work. So if you consider that you may already be in it, then consider this. Your banker, your financial advisor, the traders on Wall Street, they are a part of something that is one of the single greatest ways to build wealth in our country. Wealth for retirement or whatever else it is that is your financial goal. The difference is these guys understand the markets. They're able to get beyond just the negativity of this day was up and this day was down, or this person was arrested for insider trading and all the negativity of corporate greed and all these things that we hear in the news. There is actually an opportunity for us to have nothing to do with any of that. Understand a skill set on how we can use the stock market to our advantage, and at the very least, understand what's happening with the money that we may already have in a retirement account. Wouldn't you want to know why what is happening with your money is happening? You being a more powerful participant in your finances is beneficial for you and your family on every level. So we invite you to join us to learn even just a little bit more about what's going on with your money.